Education Today. In this segment, you're going to see 12 very talented chefs who have been chosen as the winner of this cooking competition. They have cooked some great dishes for us. One such chef is Garishtha Naidu. She is 11 years old, studying in Dr. Pillai Global Academy. Are you ready to see what she has prepared for us? Come along.
Bruciato Bellpeper. Cheese instead of oats and some milk for our sauce. So now I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add a little olive oil. Here, a pinch of garlic. Now I'm going to saute this. Now I'm going to add the oats. I'm going to give it a nice mix. And now I'm going to add milk over here. So I've already kept 500 ml of milk ready. So I'm going to add a little by little to make sure the oats and the milk consistency is perfect. PeriPeri. And now I'm going to nicely give it. Now I'm going to add all of the veggies into it. A little spring onion. And now a little beans. Baby corn. A little peas. Some cottage cheese. Now I'm gonna give it a nice mix. Onion and a dash of mixed herbs for flavor. So while our sauce is getting cooked in here, let's move on to the capsicum stuffed rice. So the first thing I'm going to add is a little bit of olive oil. So I've put the olive oil. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. I'm going to saute the thing a little. Now I'm going to add a little onion, changing its color. So now I'm going to add a little bit of spring onion to this mixture. I'm going to nicely saute this thing. Now I'm going to add a little coriander. I'm going to add a little salt into the mixture. Rice. And now I'm going to give it a nice mix. So now as you can see, the rice is going into the bell pepper inside. And the final thing which I'm going to add is a little bit of oregano. I'm going to add it into our bell pepper. Like this. So now as you can see, I've stuffed the rice into the bell pepper, and now I am going to slowly brush it with the oil as I have put it on a low flame. So now I've added a little oil over here for our bell peppers to cook. So while they cook, I'm going to put a lid right there. So guys, it's almost been 10 minutes now, and let's check on our bell peppers. The smell, the aroma is amazing. Whoa. So now as you can see, our dish PeriPeri Bruciato Bellpeper is ready and fresh to eat. Bon appetit!
That's all for today. I'm sure you'll try this recipe at home. I definitely will. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.denn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is Sanya signing off.